Okay, here's a little video in case you want to see a video for this too. So let's look at how we see one solution on a graph. Well, we think back to one of our first problems for these, and we had a line graphed, and we had another line graphed. Now, one solution is there if there's one place where they cross. So for example, maybe this one would be at 2, 2. So one solution looks like this on the graph. One spot where they cross. Okay, well, what does no solutions look like? We also did a problem like this. We go to graph, and remember in class we have one line, and then the other line is parallel to it, and it never crosses. So no solution looks like two lines that don't ever cross. All right, now infinite solutions looks like this. And we can have a line going this way, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do the same thing. So we have a line going like this, and what happens is we go to graph the next line, and guess what? It goes literally right on top of it. They're the same exact line. So it just looks like one line on top of another. Infinite solutions. Let's go ahead and look at what these look like with slope-intercept form. So let's look at this one. In slope-intercept form, you might have an equation, and we'll say the slope is 3 and it starts at 1. Okay? Now, an equation that's the exact same as this is maybe I just multiplied this by something. Let's multiply it by 2. So this becomes 2y. This becomes 6x. And this becomes 2. Now, if I plot this and I plot this, they're going to be plotted on the same line. So what's true about the slope and y-intercept? We'll say the slope and y-intercept are the same. Okay, so what about on one where they never cross? Well, here's an example. Y equals, and let's say our slope here, we'll say it's also 3x. Okay, I don't know why I did that line underneath it. And the y-intercept, we'll say that's at -1, so -1. Now this one, our slope is also 3x, because it's going at the same rate. But this one starts off at 2 for its y-intercept. Okay, so what's true about the slope? If there's no solution, the slope is the same. But, and the y-intercept is different. All right, and in this one, what's your guess? Here, the slopes are